I'm Haley.
And I'm Davide.
Between the blogger
and the guide,
we are going to give you the best tips and tricks
to make the most of your trip to Rome.
Don't forget to subscribe. Welcome back, everybody. Today we're going to be talking about the 4 places tourists always miss on their visit to Rome.
Number 1, Villa Borghese. This park is for the Romans, like Central Park for the New Yorkers. Here you can find statues, temples, museums, lakes, and don't forget there are some incredible panoramic spots like the Pincio Terrace.
Number 2 is trying a day trip. This may not be in Rome, but there are so many great day trip options around Rome within an hour. My favorites are Villa d'Este and Villa Adrian, but you can also see incredible sites like Ostia Antica and enjoy even more Roman beauty.
Number 3. Giardino degli Aranci. This place at the sunset becomes magical. The view of the city with the sunset and the pines of Rome is just mind-blowing.
Number 4 is missing out on the other churches in Rome. Regardless of your religious affiliation, they are filled with art, and a lot of people stop at St. Peter's Basilica, but there are so many great churches with beautiful artwork. This is the list of some of our favorites. We hope that you check them out. And don't forget to head over to GraylineRome.com to check out the best tours by local guides run by an Italian company. Check out our hop on, hop off bus and everything that we have to offer in Rome and beyond. We hope that you enjoyed this video. Please leave any questions or comments down in the comment section, and we will see you on the next one. Ciao!